We've seen phones that fold in half before, but this is the very first time that we're getting our hands on a phone that folds into 3 parts. This is a prototype from TCL.
The idea here is the same as it is for every foldable phone, to give you as much screen space as possible in as small a package as possible. As you can see, there's a lot of screen to work with here, about as much as a full-size tablet. We don't have the exact specs yet, but it looks like it's about 10 inches on the diagonal. Most of the foldable phones we've seen so far, like the Samsung Galaxy Fold, have one hinge. They fold in half. But this phone has 2 hinges, one that folds in and one that folds out, so that the screens fold in different directions. The prototype here only has one screen that does double duty, so that at least one part of the panel can act as a lit up screen at all times. So when it's fully closed, you can still use the part of the screen that's facing up. This should feel pretty natural, kind of like holding an extra thick phone, since the cameras are exactly on the opposite side of the screen you're using. You'll pretty much just want to unfold the device all the way when you're sitting somewhere comfortably, and not so much when you're on the move. We don't know a whole lot about the specs, but the few we can glean from holding the prototype are the 4 cameras on the back, a front-facing camera, and a USB-C charger port. So far, this trifold phone raises more questions than answers, both about the device and also how it will help shape the growing world of foldable phones. Again, this is just a prototype, and TCL will have a lot of work to do before it's ready to enter the wild west of foldable phones. We don't know how much it costs, when it will go on sale, how the software will work. We don't even know the name of this phone. But TCL has been creating some pretty interesting foldable concept designs, not just this trifold phone, so expect to see much more from this brand.